guys 5 tips to better photos. So tip number 1, try and get out of auto mode. I know it seems really intimidating, but if you can get out of auto mode, you can play about with your photos and also your videos so much more. If you need to, start out using shutter or aperture priority modes. I'll show you these on the camera just now. Tip 2 guys, try using filters. If you don't have a DSLR and you're on a phone, there's some filters that you can use on the phone, but it's not going to come to the same kind of effect of what I'm talking about. With DSLRs, using filters can be a really good way to cut down sunlight. You can use polarizers, which will bring out colours, especially in the sky, really pull those blues. If you're going to be doing landscape photography, it's a good idea to use Lee filters or any of those kind of systems where it's like a bracket that fits on the front of your lens. You have square filters that you can slot in. The handy thing about those is you can stack them. So you can use graduated ND filters, you can use normal ND filters, you can throw a polarizer into one of your NDs to try and pull those blues, which is a really good thing to use. Let's go to the next one. Tip 3. So try changing the composition of your photos. By that I mean, whenever you get to a location, take a walk around. Don't just get there and think, oh that was good, snap. Take a look around, spend maybe 10-15 minutes, try different angles. By all means, all our cameras now are digital. It's not like film, you can take as many photos as you want. So just snap images from different angles and see how they look and how you like them. Another way of doing this is leading lines. Now, this is basically lines that travel through the picture and that will draw your viewer's eye to your subject. I'll put a little example of that just here. That was shot in Edinburgh, and originally I thought of shooting that monument just straight up. I thought it would look really cool looking up the face, and then when I noticed that street, I took a little wander up and realised that I could get the framing of the building all the way down, and then I could use a long exposure to be able to get those light trails. So those are just a couple of things that you can try, but never be scared to just try something guys. It might just look good. Let's go to 4. Tip 4. So with photos, try changing your depth of field. Now by that I mean what's in focus and what isn't in focus within your photographs. Something that's really good is having something in the foreground which can be blurred, and then your actual background can be really sharp. That's really good for landscape work, and when it comes to portraits, that can be a really good thing as well. You can also reverse that and just kind of experiment a little bit, but that's another one for you. Let's go to the next one. Alright guys, last one, I promise. Number 5. Now, I mentioned this briefly back in 4, but using an object or a person in the foreground or in the distance of one of your photos is really good just to give a better feeling of the depth of field. It can also make the photos just a little more interesting. Quite a lot of the time looking at a landscape photo, it looks really cool and it looks really nice, but if you just pop a person down there in the distance, you just see how epic that picture is. So that's just another little tip for you, is to just create those epic images. So guys, I hope these tips were helpful. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, it really helps the channel. And I'll see you guys on Monday. See ya.